welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? So in today's video is going to be a fashion video. I have not done this kind of video obviously in my whole 3 or 4 years of YouTube videos making time. But anyways, आज का वीडियो है मिंत्रा का और अजियो बोथ ऑफ द शॉपिंग ऐप से, शॉपिंग वेबसाइट से मैंने बहुत सारे चीजें बीच में खरीदे हैं, अभी भी रिसेंटली खरीदे. सो आई जस्ट थॉट कि टुगेदर करके मैं आपको दिखाऊं. ऑल वीडियोस आर काइंड ऑफ वेरी हेल्पफुल बिकॉज यू कम टू नो व्हाट द फ्रंट पर्सन हैज परचेज एंड देन अकॉर्डिंगली अगर आपको भी खरीदना रहेगा सो यू परचेज. सो मोस्ट ऑफ द क्लोथ ऑल ऑब्वियसली क्लोथिंग ही है, बट मोस्ट ऑफ देम आर जस्ट लाइक वर्कआउट रिलेटेड आउटफिट. यू कैन से वर्कआउट के लिए मैंने परचेज किए थे बहुत. सो यू कैन इफ यू लाइक इफ यू एंजॉय वर्कआउट एंड स्टफ यू विल गेट अ लॉट ऑफ रिकमेंडेशन और कौन से ब्रांड से खरीदने भी चाहिए उसके भी आपको आइडियाज मिल जाएंगे. Before starting off, make sure that you subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon that you will get notifications whenever I upload my videos. That is like mandatory. And yeah, follow me on my pages, that is Instagram, my makeup page and my own account. Both of the accounts will be linked in the description. And all the products जो clothing जो भी available है, अगर out of stock नहीं है because most of them मैंने देखे out of stock हो गए. But if I find the links, I will put it in the description so it's easy accessible for you. Otherwise, आप scroll करते जाना because sometimes a lot of products are out of stock. Anyways, let's get started with the video. So first we'll start with the pants जो मेरे पास है by the brand HRX. So if you don't know, HRX is a brand owned by Hrithik Roshan and मिंत्रा पे exclusively आपको मिलते हैं. अभी रिसेंटली मैंने देखा कि फ्लिपकार्ट में भी अवेलेबल है, बट आई मोस्टली बाय लाइक क्लोथिंग मोस्टली अगर मुझे खरीदने हैं तो मैं डायरेक्टली मिंत्रा से ही खरीदती हूँ क्योंकि मुझे ऑथेंटिक लगते हैं. वहाँ पे कभी कभी फर्स्ट कॉपी वगैरह भी मिलते हैं बहुत सारे, मतलब फ्लिपकार्ट में वगैरह. बट व्हेन इट कम्स टू मिंत्रा आई एम टोटली 100% श्योर. प्लस रिटर्न एक्सचेंज इज वेरी 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 फास्ट ओवर देयर, सो इट्स अमेजिंग. सो HRX का ये मैंने एक लेगिंग्स जैसा पैंट है ये which you can wear. Now I'm not going to wear them and show because it's going to be a very long and I am not that great with wearing stuff and filming. But anyways, I will post the picture on the screen of the model where they are wearing so you can get an idea. So this is a very solid black pant to have. Now this is not a full length, this is just like mid calf, what you say, like a half length 3/4 kind of a pant. Iska if you see from the sides, it is like it has this mesh work, so yeah, half of the legs from the side is visible. Now I own this for quite a bit time now, but this is an amazing quality. This has survived from so long with me. That's the reason I wanted to show in this particular haul. So ये अभी का purchase नहीं है, this is like almost 1 year plus, but the quality of the pant is amazing. Like I've worn this so much, yet the fit is amazing, great. The size that I wear is S. This particular small because ये particular pant के size अगर आप देखो तो बड़े तो लग रहे, but आई परचेज फर्स्ट लार्ज, मुझे वो बहुत बड़ा हुआ, फिर मैंने मीडियम भी खरीदा एक्सचेंज करके, वो भी मुझे बहुत बड़ा हुआ, फिर मैंने स्मॉल लिया तो मुझे वो परफेक्टली हुआ, तभी जाके मैंने से स्मॉल. आई एम लाइक HRX के पैंट्स में मेरा साइज इज S. सो यू हैव टू परचेज इट अकॉर्डिंग टू योर रिक्वायरमेंट्स, आपके लेंथ वेंथ को लेके. बट अदरवाइज अगर आपको फिट मिल जाता है देन यू गोना कम टू नो. बट HRX पैंट्स, टॉप्स, एवरीथिंग आर वेरी वेरी गुड क्वालिटी गाइज. सो दिस इज द फर्स्ट पैंट दैट आई हैव. दिस इज समथिंग वेरी वेरी multi-purpose. You can wear this multiple times. Then I have pants by the brand C9. Now this is also the brand available on Myntra Aram se. This also I got when I actually shopped for this pant. This is the C9 pant, the 3/4 ये भी 3/4 size है. This is the size. So this is the logo of the C9. Here it go. And this is the size that I wear is M. So you have to see the chart and accordingly purchase for yourself. वो आपको easy पड़ेगा because if you don't refer the chart and stuff वो आपको hard हो सकता है to get. But the actual best part is that you can actually return it. आराम से exchange कर सकते हो, एक ही दिन में exchange हो जाता है. That is the plus point of Myntra. So this is also 3/4 pant और side में इसके ऐसा work है. And again this pant was under rupees 300-400. So it's very nice. The quality and the material is also very soft and the number of time you wear is stretchable, so it's not going to like tear from some certain areas that we are always like concerned about. That is the best part. And इसमें आपको बहुत colors मिल जाता है. I've seen blue, black, red. This is the red, but blue, black, green भी available है. So according to your liking you can purchase. तो मैंने मरून वाला खरीदा था. Also by the same brand C9 I also have a grey kind of pant. Now this is a full pant, so it's like a full length pant. इधर तक आ जाता है. This is in the size L. मैंने L मंगाया था, but it's like I hope you can see it's like really long. So this is the grey material. तो इसमें अगर आप देखो साइड से it has this red work and then otherwise it's totally Grace, yes, gym clothes are actually expensive, so just invest in a good material and that's it. You don't have to purchase again and again, so the वही benefit है. So this is the another top, another pant, and the last is again by C9, and then we are done with the pants, and then tops. We'll go to tops. So this is also the C9 pant. Now this is a blue color. I've not worn this even once because of the fit. This is in the size S of C9. तो मेरे पास M भी है और L भी है. Both of them are pretty fittable for me, but this particular S is very tight for me, but I love the color. That's the reason I did not return. So I'm like, this is going to be a pant in my wardrobe where it's going to inspire me to lose my weight and get into that very fitness thing, but yet I'm not. This I got recently, but I really want to get into this pants soon. So as you can see, it's literally not, I've not worn this once. So this is like a full pant, so you can wear this multiple ways, just not to gym, but also like randomly with a lot of ways. So leggings के जैसे भी आप use coming. Let's come to the t-shirts and shirt. तो Myntra अब first हम complete करते हैं. So Roadster is also one amazing brand on Myntra. They have amazing cool t-shirts, shirts, tops, women, men both, and very affordable range. में 199 से they start. So obviously now what I do is I always keep on scrolling Myntra whenever there are offers. So what I do is like मैं low से देखती हूँ, पहले low high से देखती हूँ, तभी बहुत सारे अच्छे अच्छे tops and all मिल जाते हैं. तो this is the top that I got. Now I hope you can see. मैं photo भी डाल दूँगी screen पे. So this is in the size M, I guess. Yes, this is in the size M, and I love the print on this. This is like the stripe. I really like stripe myself. I have so many tops and stuff in stripes. So this is how it looks. Now I have worn this only once on my birthday, but it's stripes and it really fits me well, and I like a lot tops when it comes to stripe. And Roadster का यहाँ पे ऐसे logo भी है, so that it's pretty like branded का ऐसा आपको वो मिल भी जाता है. So I hope you can see on the screen. So this I got around 200 or 300. I don't remember the rate, but this is more than that. But sale mein you always get good deals. So this is the top. Then I have two tops from HRX, something that I really love, and I've worn this in gym more than 3 to 4 times now. I don't remember, but yes, I have some videos wearing these tops on my Instagram. So this is the one. This actually is a plain white t-shirt. It full long sleeves there, and this has amazing saying on the hands that I'm going to show you. Let me like unfold this because I actually didn't use this. So this says hashtag keep doing. आपको screen पे उल्टा दिखेगा because I'm like filming opposite side. So it says hashtag keep going. This is on this is very famous kind of top on Myntra. So this also comes in black color, but black color I own so much. Like my most like 80% of my wardrobe is black. So I was over black, so I got this white, and this also retailed. This retails for 600 and something, but during the sale time, because मैंने बहुत टाइम से wish list कर रखा था, so मुझे वैसे email मतलब I get whenever there are offers you come like they send you email and stuff. So उस time पे it came like it's like flat something 40-30% off. So I got it that time. I don't remember the rate what I got it, but still yeah, it's very good quality. The fabric really matters, and yes, it's amazing. Also from the same range there was also one more top which I got pretty later. Now this looks literally almost maroon on the screen, but it's pink in real life. So this says HRX again, and this is also I mostly wear full sleeves. Most of the time I like full sleeves. I don't wear sleeveless that much. It doesn't suit me, but yeah, anyway, so this is the top that I got, HRX. Also this is the size M. Even in this my size was M. Yes, it's not totally fitting. M thoda loose है, but a small मतलब proper fit आ जाएगा. I don't have that good body to wear that tight clothes yet. But anyways, this is the another top that I have by HRX. This is also cool. Now this also retails for something 300-400 के अंदर only, but it's very good quality, something that you can wear multiple times and get along. For gym, I think investing in your gym clothes is really important, because you sweat and you don't want to wear some random stuff that is going to irritate and eat your skin during working out. So even if tops, if you wear something very cheap is fine, but when it comes to your underclothes, make sure that you invest in that. Very important. The last top is something very basic that I wanted from a long time. This is Zara Basics. I'm not sure if this is in stock, because this was something that I got in stock after a long time, but I wanted this because of the print. So it says that I really need a day between Saturday and Sunday, which is very different for me, but it's something that I've not heard of, and I feel very different with that particular saying. So this is Zara Basics, and this is in the size M. Yes, I got the size M. Again, this was on Myntra during their Navratri sale के टाइम पे मैंने खरीदा था. Yes. And it is very simple white t-shirts. You can wear this in multiple ways, and simple white t-shirt is something that you can wear obviously multiple ways, but it's very something that you should have in wardrobe. As I said, 80% of my wardrobe is like black, so white कुछ नहीं है maximum. And this also has some only detailing है yellow वाला part जो आपके neck में है, so it suits a lot. I don't remember if I have worn this on my any of my videos, but yes, the quality Zara obviously cannot doubt. So this is the thing. And the last thing that I got from Myntra is a Puma t-shirt. This is something that I got long time ago, but I love this. This is only a Puma thing that I own because I don't wear that much branded stuff, genuinely speaking. But yeah, once a while I do like to smug. So this is the t-shirt which is like this. It's literally like full kind of this. So it's high neck, so you can also wear it like high neck, or you can also fold it. It has the logo thing here. Also it has the detailing in the back. Now this retailed for something 900 if I'm not wrong after sale, but the quality is amazing, bang on. It's something I wanted to earn, and the color is great. Also it has the logo thing on the side, which it always does, and the branded stuff will always have some kind of chart inside so that it's original and authentic for you to know with all the details. But this is the last thing that I got from Myntra. And now there are two things that I got from Ajio that I just want to show and get it done, because then उसके लिए Ajio के लिए मेरे को अलग कुछ वीडियो नहीं बना है. तो Ajio में बहुत ज़्यादा एक फेमस ब्रांड है Team Spirit करके, which is very affordable and their clothing is amazing, guys. Definitely check it out, Team Spirit. Okay, so the first top that I got is for only 196 rupees. Can't you don't believe me, right? And this is in the size M. Yes. So इसमें 3 से 4 कलर आते हैं. So it's like basic pastel color, and I wanted this kind of color from so long. Pastel pink. And the quality, oh my god, I can't believe that this is for only 196. The quality is bang on. So this has a lot of, this also has mint green something, but it was out of stock. And this pink मुझे बहुत I got it very later on. But anyways, the quality is I hope you can see there is like some kind of lines on the t-shirt. I'm not totally sure if you can see. So this is the t-shirt that I got on Ajio, and the last is also by the brand Team Spirit, and this is in the size L. थोड़ा बड़ा है, but it's fine, it's doable. Sometimes oversize is fine. A lot of tight clothes is not this. This is little bit mesh work, I can say. थोड़ा transparency वाला work है इसमें. If you can see from up to down, it's literally not that pastel. So it's literally a little more lighter than this. So this was little peachy skin color, and this is very pastel pink. You can say this is actually pastel pink. So this is the length. Again, this is something that I need, full size, full hand, full sleeves. Again, this was for something 200 and something, but this is a steal. This is अभी तक ये 196 का ही मिलेगा. विश लिस्ट में करके रखो, out of stock all the time. Get your hands if you are purchasing from Ajio and all. Sales बहुत ज़्यादा चल रहे. And this is the last which I showed you. All the products which I showed you will be linked in the description, so that if you want to purchase any of them, definitely get your hands on them. Also, if I don't find any other links, some products, because मैंने देखा Puma का available नहीं है, Zara का available नहीं था, out of stock के, उसका link भी नहीं. कभी कभी when brands discontinue some kind of products, they're not available. Other than that, all the products which I showed you here, but still I'll try to link it from somewhere if I find. Okay, so that's it. I hope that you like my haul. If you want me to film such more videos, definitely let me know in the comments. And we are very close to 1K. Let's reach together. Coming up videos are very helpful. Definitely keep an eye to that. A lot of vlogs coming your way. Okay, so till now, this much only. I hope that you like it, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care, guys.